Hello everyone, welcome to Small Model Car. Today we have got a Gordon Murray Automotive T.33 car. Again, this is a car designed by Gordon Murray and manufactured by his team. New for 2025 by Hotwheels. Last year they did the other Gordon Murray car. I can't remember the name, but that was beautifully done. So I'm having high hopes from Hotwheels for this one. Let's open it up and see how does it look. So here is the T33 out of the box, and I must say it has got some good details. Since we are on the side, let's talk about these wheels. That's something I don't like, because these wheels are on every other Hot Wheels, and I thought at least if they were using this they could have used a different color. But again, let's not worry about it. Wheels can be changed. Apart from that, let's focus on the casting. So even from the side you can see this beautiful shape which they have captured. It looks really good. You can also see a roof which is like a double bubble kind of thing. I think it's carbon fiber in real life. Hot Wheels has used a single piece of plastic glass thing to and used kind of a different finish on top, just to show that it's different. Got big windshield wiper, like a big single one. So up front, again I see nice details here. You got detailed headlamp, you got the Gordon Murray Automotive logo. I like this design element, it looks so sporty. Also you can see the grill, the lower grill there. It's a sports car, so you've got this two-door configuration obviously, but if you look here, it's so aerodynamically designed and Hot Wheels has kind of captured it. Coming to the top, so unlike the other Gordon Murray car which had a central driving position, it has a conventional left and driving position, and looks to have good detail in the interior too. You can see the seats, gearbox and everything. Not the gearbox, sorry, the gear shifter, steering wheel, and interior nice. Also I can see the engine in there, V12. Coming to the back, again nice details here. You got detailed tail lamp, T33 badge, Gordon Murray Automotive badge, and the twin exhaust. So you can see the diffuser here. This is from the passenger side, Hot Wheels. This is how it looks from the top, and this is how it looks from the bottom. So overall, I think it has got some great details. It looks really nice, and I don't know if silver paint does the justice to the car, but it doesn't look bad. But I think something more, fancy, which you will see soon, or maybe more colorful, will make it look even better. Sports car deserve crazy colors. But I like the casting, I like the details on it, and I like how they have both the mirrors and everything. They look good, and casting has some good details, especially for a mainline, and I'm pretty sure we'll see a premium of this one very soon. Well, those are my thoughts. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.